Something big is about to happen here at the Embassy Heights in Rumi Road, South Sea. And the wait is nearly over. Now, the question on everyone's mind is, when are the handover dates? And as we speak, the team is finalizing on the nitty-gritties, and the announcement will be coming to you very soon. But before that, here is a quick update on the progress this month of July 2025. The tiles are fully done with just some final touches ongoing in laundry areas. The wardrobes are complete all the way to the 8th floor. The kitchen cabinets are halfway done, and the paint team is adding final touches. The main door fittings are reaching the 5th floor. The internal door fittings are underway, and sanitary installations have kicked off. The rooftop is getting its finishing touches. And the gypsum work is underway. Now, to the best part, the elevator is on site and scheduled for fitting. Can you guess the official handover dates? Drop your comments down below and stay tuned for the final reveal. To reserve a unit at any of our properties, you can do so by dialing 0703 888 222 or 0713 888 222. Maestro Homes, exquisite property, exquisite value.